Kaushalya Dam, which is important for flood control in the Ghaggar River basin, is situated in Indian state of Haryana. Now, Ghaggar River is known as the River of Sorrow due to the frequent floods. Is located in Malwa region of Punjab. According to recent study published in Environmental Research Letters, Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation (AMOC) is in critical condition. Is an Atlantic Ocean current is at risk of collapsing. Scientists recently linked the rare appearance of blue dragons in Spain's Mediterranean water to rapid warming of Mediterranean Sea. According to a recent ruling by the US Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, President Donald Trump exceeded his powers under International Emergency Economic Powers Act 1977, the US law, while imposing certain tariffs. Now, what is the name of the massive plan launched by Tirupati Urban Development Authority to rescue and rejuvenate Swarnmukhi River? Is Operation Swarn. As per Air Quality Life Index AQLI 2025 report, which state and union territory records a loss of 8.2 years in life expectancy due to the air pollution, is Delhi. Typhoon missile system was developed by which country? United States. According to the new study, which medication may be more effective than aspirin for long-term prevention of heart attacks? Is clopidogrel. The Sri Villiputtur Meghamalai Tiger Reserve (SMTR) is located in which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. The Vrindavani Vastra, a 16th century silk textile, primarily depicts the childhood stories and divine pastimes of which deity? Answer is Lord Krishna. What is Climaconius heteropolaris that was recently mentioned in news? Answer is a new species of diatom. Which organization has released the National Annual Report and Index on Women's Safety NARI 2025? Answer is National Commission for Women NCW. What type of missile is Nimbrix developed by Swedish defense company Saab? Answer is Counter Unmanned Aircraft System known as CUAS missile. What is the name of India's first fully indigenous 32-bit microprocessor launched at Semicon India 2025? Answer is Vikram 3201. Recently approved Rs 1500 crore incentive scheme for critical minerals is a part of which mission? Answer is National Critical Mineral Mission. According to recent report, which states have crossed 50% coverage of Unique Disability ID (UDID) card issuance? Answer is Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya, Odisha, Karnataka. Researchers have found evidence that interstellar dust grains align with magnetic fields in the Milky Way. Interstellar dust grains are composed of which materials? Answer is silicates and carbonaceous material. What is the name of biggest anti-Naxal operation conducted on Karegutta Hill along the Chhattisgarh-Telangana border? Answer is Operation Black Forest. According to recent study, which state has the lowest density of rosewood tree population in South India? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Acantha amoeba, recently emerging as public health concern in Kerala, is what kind of organism? Answer is free living amoeba. Where was National Ayush Mission NAM Summit 2025 held? Answer is New Delhi. Where was the National Ayush Mission NAM Summit held? Answer is New Delhi. According to Sample Registration Survey Statistical Report 2023, what is the India's total fertility rate? Answer is 1.9. Where was India's largest lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant launched? Answer is Haryana. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched Angikar 2025 campaign under which flagship scheme? Answer is PM Awas Yojana Urban 2. My Bharat Aapda Mitras are trained by which institution? Answer is National Disaster Management Authority NDMA. Which institute discovered that protein P47 act as mechanical chaperone, enhancing protein stability under mechanical stress? Answer is SN Bose National Center for Basic Science. Wangchu Hydroelectric Project is located in which country? Answer is Bhutan. Flamingo cruise missile is developed by which country? Answer is Ukraine. COVID Vaccine Intelligence Network portal is operated by which ministry? Answer Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.